Hi, I am Surya. This is my wife. This is my friend. We two couples travel through Smart Trip Planner. We come to Kashmir, and this is our guide Zavid Bhai. He's so sweet. ஆக்சுவலாக எங்களை ரொம்ப நல்லா பார்த்துக்கிட்டாரு. கைடில் ஒரு he is like a brotherhood, and it's so well, all goes fantastic and wonderful. And thanks for Smart Trip Planner and our trip organizer Ms. Janvi and our guide Nai. He is our brother, like a brother. Javed is all good, so well. All 5 days are wonderful, amazing. Thanks to all.
Stay also nice.
Stays are good. The hotel Millard and Green Top Resorts all are good, all fine. This means a lot. Actually, not the words. This means a lot. Try through Smart Trip Planner. Thank you.